How to increase your chance of having a normal delivery. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Santoshi Nandigam. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist in Cadence Hospitals, Nungambakkam, Chennai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So there are so many ways you can increase your chance of having a normal delivery. Let's just dive into them right away. Number one, having enrolled yourself into a very good childbirth education classes. Now, I cannot emphasize more on how important it is to attend a very good childbirth education classes. So what happens in this childbirth education classes? So they will teach you what are the signs and symptoms of labor, what are the different stages of labor, how you can cope up with the whole process of labor, how to decrease the stress of labor, how to cope up with the pain in the labor. They give you an orientation of how it is going to be in your labor process. Although there might be some unexpected complications or unexpected occurrences, you are most often prepared for the worst. So attending a childbirth education class along with your birth partner is extremely important in contributing to your chance of having a normal delivery. Number two, staying active in pregnancy is extremely important. I often suggest my patients to go for a 30-minute moderate physical activity. It can be as simple as walking. It can even be swimming. It can be yoga. It can be some kind of physiotherapy exercise as well. Now, why am I emphasizing a lot on staying active in pregnancy is if your body gets used to physical activity during your pregnancy, it's actually very easy for you to be remain physically active in your labor. And it is important for you to remain physically active in labor because the more active you remain in your pregnancy, it gets easier for you to be active in your labor as well. And the more active you are in your labor, the easier is your delivery and the higher are your chances of having a normal delivery. Number three, involve your birth partner. Most women think that being pregnant is completely on them. It's just their responsibility. It is nobody else's matter or nobody else's problem. Unfortunately, it's not like that. You will not be able to handle labor all alone. You need some birthing support. So it can be your husband, it can be your mother, it can be your sister, it can be your friend, it can be anybody who you really love and would want to experience the whole process of labor. So it is equally important for them to attend these childbirth education classes so they can learn and be the physical and the emotional support that you need in your process of labor and birthing. Number four, having a well-balanced, nutritious diet. Well, most of us do not concentrate on the food that we eat, and I cannot tell you the importance of eating a well-balanced, nutritious diet in your pregnancy. This is because all that you eat controls your weight gain in pregnancy and of course the exercise as well. So making sure you get your enough protein content for the day, enough carbohydrate content for the day, enough fiber content for the day can actually reduce all your pregnancy symptoms, decrease the chances of pregnancy complications like blood pressure, sugar, and all of them increase your chance of having a normal delivery. So eating a well-balanced nutritious diet is extremely important, and that coupled with staying active in your pregnancy will actually boost up your chances of having a normal delivery. Number five, practicing deep breathing. So whenever we are stressed out or whenever we encounter panic or any situation that we are not used to or that we are very uncomfortable with, we always tend to take a deep breath, right? We always tend to calm ourselves down. We always tend to focus on our breath. So having practiced deep breathing exercises in your pregnancy will actually help with coping up with the pain in your labor. So when you take deep breaths in your labor, your focus automatically transfers from the pain to your breathing. And when you concentrate on the breathing, the perception of your pain actually comes down. So practicing deep breathing is extremely important, and it does help you focus, reduce the stress of labor, and boost your chances of having a normal delivery.